पाकिस्तान में 24 लाख केसेस ज़ेरे इल्तवा हैं। 86% ज़ेरे इल्तवा केसेस ज़िली अदालतों में हैं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सीनियर जज जस्टिस मंसूर अली शाह का IBA कराची में सेमिनार से खिताब। कहा, अदालतों में जजेस की तादाद कम है, मीडिएशन, आर्बिट्रेशन समेत दीगर ऑप्शंस मौजूद हैं। तनाज़ात का मुतबादिल हल अदालती निज़ाम का हिस्सा है। अदालतों को ही इंसाफ की फराहमी का जिम्मेदार नहीं समझना चाहिए। हर कोई अदालत से रुजू करके हुक्म इम्तना हासिल करेगा तो मईशत कैसे चलेगी? हुक्म इम्तना और जमानतों की बुनियाद पर कौमें तरक्की नहीं करते।
There is a single track. Anybody who has a dispute rush to court. It's as if there's one road leading to court. I think so. The mindset has to change, and mindset of a litigant has to change. And I think awareness would be such an important part and parcel of this program, because unless people understand that there's no one road, I mean there are multiple roads now going towards dispute settlement, which includes mediation, which includes arbitration. The reason why we're heading in this direction is because of the cases and the sluggishness that we have in the courts. We have a very limited number of judges. I think we need to have far more judges. If we were to look at the international parameters of having 90 judges per million, we have 13. We must change our mindset. You do not go to court if you have a problem, if you have a dispute. You try to negotiate, you try to mediate, you try to arbitrate, but you don't go to court otherwise.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।